Hi, good day. I'm Richard Ipidosa, 31 years old, butcher here in Davao City, Philippines. Today, I show you the 5 standard cuts of whole dressed chicken. Before I proceed to cutting, I show you how to sharpen my knife using the honing steel in a 45-degree angle. And now, I proceed to cutting. These are the different parts of whole dressed chicken. First, backbone, drumstick, thigh part, wings, and breast. That's all. Thank you.